16, okay.
We will start with the fifth placer. Under 16 rapid event with a total points of 4.5 points with a cash prize of 500 pesos. Fifth placer is Risha May Alex Velasco. Babae siguro to.
Malamang. Risha May Alex.
Risha May. Okay, next, fourth placer with a total points of 5 points with a cash prize of 500 pesos. Fourth placer is from the Baguio City National High School, Mark Andel Danabar.
Oy! Okay.
Next, third placer with a total points of 5 points with a cash prize of 1,000 pesos. Third placer from Ilagan Isabela, National Master Jacob Sodela. Pinakyaw na yata, parang akyat na dito sa stage. Plus medal pa yan. Next, second placer, under 16 category, rapid event, with a total points of 5 points, with a cash prize of 2,000 pesos plus medal. Second placer is John Kirk Valencia, a National Master. Pangatlo rin yata ito eh. From Cavite.
Kita kay.
And now the champion, under 16 category rapid event, with a total points of 5.5 points, with a cash prize of 3,000 pesos, the champion, Phil Martin Kasikuran. From Cavite rin? Oh, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Congressman Braganza,
Barsaga.
Barsaga.
Ay, Barsaga. Okay. So, meron palang special award sa mga taga Baguio at saka taga Benguet. Sa mga local residents.
14 sila.
So, 15 po ito sa local residents ng Baguio at Benguet. Okay, to start with, we will start with the 15th place.